how to convert YouTube video to PowerPoint slides. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can convert the YouTube file to your PowerPoint slide. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So open the PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. So you will have to tap on the PowerPoint and then you will have to tap on the blank presentation. So from there you will have to click on the insert tab, and under insert tab you will have to search for the video, and then you will have to click on it and you will have to tap on the record video, or you can have to search for the video, and from there you can select any of the video. After that you will have to tap on the three dots and then you will have to browse, and from there you can search any of the option, and from there you can upload the video. Enter the YouTube video or search for a video and select the video that you want to insert and click insert. So this is how you can easily insert the YouTube video on your PowerPoint. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.